How's it going, guys? It's so nice to see you guys back on the channel. I have got the new Nerf Ultra 5 here today. This is exciting. I saw it at Walmart and I just thought, why not spend more of my money on Nerf blasters? So this one will run you about $30 Canadian, not sure how much US, but it's probably around 20 or 25. I am stoked for this blaster. The Nerf Ultra series has a lot of promises. Let's get into the box. I got this one on a deal at Walmart because it was on rollback. And so if you find this at your local Walmart and it's on rollback, that's a good sign because then it's cheaper. I got it $10 off, so that's awesome. And inside we have the gun. Looks like some bullets and instructions. Don't need those right now. But the gun, here we go. Wow.
This thing feels good in the hands. I like how it feels. Wow.
This is really nice. The trigger feels really nice. One thing I am disappointed about though, this handle is not gold like advertised on the box. It shows it gold, kind of like this color, and it's bright yellow. So that's unfortunate. Also Nerf does their classic, color it on one side and then skip all the detail on the other side. So that's a bit lame. Let's load this thing up.
Wow, that feels good. Wow.
So it has a 4-dart internal clip, 3 darts right out of the bag, and there's another one in the box. I guess you just slide them in. Yep, slide them in. It's not a great loading experience, but it's not terrible. Rival guns are still my favorite, but we'll see if this one changes my mind. Then you slide it back and it should be loaded and ready to fire. Let's go shoot it. Alright, here we go. Testing the Nerf Ultra range. 120 feet is to that orange dumpster. So let's go. That hit it. Okay, so we had like 2 out of 3 that hit it, I think. Let's go see. Let's find them. Found one right next to the dumpster. I'm assuming this one hit. One right back here. There it is. Here we have one right there. Look at that. This thing is powerful. Shooting this thing is a blast. It is not as accurate as it says, but it is still pretty accurate, still pretty powerful. Clearing a jam is really simple as well. All you have to do is, if it's stuck, there's this little tiny orange button right here. You just press and hold, and it should allow you to open it up. Then you're going to want to reach into the internal clip right here. Just clear the jam manually. It's not that hard. If I make any changes to this gun, then I'm probably gonna spray paint this or like paint it. I'll tape up the rest of the gun and I'll paint it something metallic gold, kind of like that, because that's just suits the aesthetic. I don't like bright yellow. Doesn't really suit it. Doesn't really fit for me. I really like the weight of this gun. It's not heavy. It's not light. It's like a perfect medium weight. Feels good. Feels sturdy. Not cheap plastic, so that's good. So 6 out of 10 for this blaster. I'm happy with it. Just really quickly, how do you get the dart out of the main thing? There's just a piece of tape on the side. You're just gonna wanna cut that open. It'll fall out. And there's this little piece of plastic. Open it up. You got your 4th dart. I hope this brightens your day. 2 kittens. One's giving one a hug. And they're giving each other a bath. They're brother and sister, so nothing else